It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Monday, the 24th of October. I'm Michael Groff. Fall weather has arrived. It is absolutely gorgeous outside this morning, and we are looking for a fantastic week ahead. Mostly sunny days, mostly clear nights, temperatures below average on most days, maybe a slight warming trend as we head into the weekend, but still probably not going to see anything above about 83, 84 degrees anytime soon, and that is some great news. Oh, yeah, we are loving this fall weather. So let's get out there and talk about it, shall we? First, the almanac from yesterday, 78 degrees was the afternoon high, 66 the morning low. The normal high is 87, and the normal low is 63. And as we take a look outside right now, here just after 7 o'clock, we've got clear sky out there. And yeah, beautiful. 57 degrees at Sky Harbor. It's very dry. Dew point 23. Relative humidity 26%. Wind from the north-northwest at 10. Barometer is rising. The upper air look, and you can see why. We have that cool fall air streaming in here. That big trough that came through here yesterday brought a few showers across northern and eastern Arizona, and nothing for us here in the valley. Just some wind and some clouds. And now with drier northwesterly flow, that cool air is coming in behind it. So we will enjoy a couple of days of extremely pleasant weather. Out ahead of it, though, some strong and severe storms are possible out across the southern plain states and moving into the deep south tomorrow. Here's the watch warning map, and we've got freeze warnings across northern and eastern Arizona, the southeastern parts of the state as well. The first hard freeze of the season, and temperatures below freezing all the way down to places like Prescott and Payson. Meanwhile, further to the north and east, we've got wind advisories across the Dakotas, as well as the western portions of Texas, parts of New Mexico. Very windy conditions, some high wind warnings as well. Convective outlook for today, that standard slight risk of severe storms to include places like Houston, Tyler, Longview, Texas, with the marginal risk for some of the adjacent areas. And here's a look at precipitation. This is valid through Monday morning of next week. Rain amounts in Phoenix, nothing. Statewide, basically nothing, as we will be in an extremely tranquil weather pattern for quite some time. We'll talk about the details of that right now as we get to the models. Have a look at it. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid 2 o'clock this afternoon. Big trough now that came through here, heading out into the plain states, beginning to go neutral tilt as it does. And so that old U-shaped component out ahead of it, we're going to get strong unidirectional shear, and some strong thunderstorms will develop there today across East Texas, parts of Louisiana. But for us, with that drier north-northwesterly flow down at the surface, just a gorgeous day. Sunny sky, high temperatures, upper 60s to mid 70s. Get out there and enjoy it. Doors, windows wide open. Probably won't need the air conditioning. If you do, probably not much. Maybe if you're out in the direct sun in your car, but that's about it. Just perfect. And then tonight, clear sky. It's going to be cool, though. In fact, the coolest weather we've had so far this season, with many of us down in the 40s, maybe low 50s in the urban core. And then tomorrow, we'll do it again. Beautiful day, sunny sky, mid 70s, maybe upper 70s. By Wednesday, we're pretty close to 80 with the sunny sky continuing, dry conditions. A weak trough will pass quickly by to the north Wednesday night and Thursday, and that will bring some breezy conditions, maybe a few clouds across northern Arizona. But all the moisture should stay far away from us. High temperatures might fall back a degree or two on Thursday with a light breeze. Friday, again, close to 80. Upper 70s, low 80s for Saturday and Sunday. Those overnight lows will remain in the upper 40s to mid 50s or so. So perfect fall weather. Then a week from today, this is Monday, the 31st of October. It is Halloween. And it's looking like a beautiful forecast for us, with troughing going out into the plain states, a dry northwesterly flow here that looks dry and mild. Temperatures probably pretty close to seasonal averages, which means low 80s. Then going out 10 days, so we're into November. This is Wednesday the 2nd, and a huge ridge out there over the North Pacific once again. This kind of looks like what you would expect in a La Nina pattern. A very anomalous ridge, dry northwesterly flow here, troughing across the northern tier states. And we are dry and warm, if that verifies. And the GFS trying to put a tropical system out there toward the islands or into the Caribbean, but that remains to be seen. The tropics look to stay quiet for quite some time. Looking at rainfall for Phoenix, this is going all the way out there through the 7th of November, and this is coming off of the European ensemble. The mean is just over 1/10 of an inch. Control member up around 3/10 of an inch. Many members show nothing at all. We do not expect any significant precipitation anytime soon. And checking temperatures off of the national blend of models. Yeah, 70s today. Tomorrow will eventually warm up perhaps into the low 80s with overnight lows in the 50s to near 60. And that's in the mid-city. Many of you down into the upper 40s and low 50s. And that is glorious. It's finally arrived. We've waited many months for that. And I'm happy that it is here. That's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video due back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, then be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. And if you're in our live chat and if you just want to screw with me or you want to just be a jerk, well, then enjoy your ban. Tommy Two Gloves. Don't forget. I'll be sure to make that permanent after I'm done here. All right. The executive producer of the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion is the one and only Michelle. And thank you guys so much for watching. All of your continued support. It is greatly appreciated. Please be safe and have yourselves a glorious Monday.